I'm going to show you real quick how to do this 4-stranded braid. It's kind of a unique braid that I often like to use in conjunction with other braids. People say it reminds them of the friendship bracelets they used to do at camp. I learned this from a braiding book about a month before I started cosmetology school, and I don't remember the name of the book. We're going to number the spaces in between our fingers. We're going to think of our thumb in both hands as space number 1. Then we're going to go 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to move from the center outward. This is important because this is how we're going to accomplish this braid and keep track of the 4 strands. So let's undo this. So I'm just going to take whatever section of hair I have, split it in half, and then split it in half again. I'm going to lay it between my fingers and number those spaces between my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, and then put it in 1, and 4, and put it in 2. Then I'm going to twist and drop them down in 3 and 4. And then same thing again from the other direction. So now they're 1, 2, 3, 4 still from the thumb. I'm going to go 2 and 4, put them next to each other in 1 and 2, and flip. And repeat that back and forth. 2, 4, flip. 2, 4, flip. 2, 4, flip. 2, 4, flip. 2. Oh, if you need to take a second, make sure you've got them all in the right place. I can split that into 2 sections. We could even tighten it up a little bit if we have to. Not losing track of where everything is. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to grab 2, put it in 1, 4, put it in 2, and then flip. 2, 4, flip. 2, 4, flip. As I get down toward the ends, I'm really just holding with the tips of my fingers instead of letting the hair fall all the way down here. And now we have this 4-stranded braid.